What is a PCB? PCB is short for printed circuit board. It refers to the sector of companies that design, manufacture, and sell printed circuit boards, a core building block of all electronic devices. PCBs create electrical connections between electronic components and hold them firmly in place. They are widely used in computers, communication equipment, automotive electronics, consumer goods, industrial systems, and many other industries. So how does a PCB work? It links electronic components through pre-designed conductive paths to form a complete circuit. A simple way to understand it: think of city road planning. We build roads so cars can travel smoothly from place to place. On a PCB, we design roads on the board, except these paths carry electrical signals. These conductive paths are called traces. Mostly made of copper, they carry electric current from one component to another, so the electronic device can work properly. You can imagine electronic components as buildings in that city. What are electronic components exactly? If you're interested, you can watch our previous videos to learn more. These components are soldered onto the PCB by their pins and connected to each other through traces, making sure signals flow exactly along the pre-designed routes. PCBs usually have a multi-layer structure. Just like a multi-story parking lot, each layer has its own trace system, and different layers are linked by vertical channels called vias. Vias are metal-plated holes that run through different layers of the PCB to carry current between them. They are made by drilling holes first, then plating the inner walls with copper via an electroless plating process. Finally, to make the whole board stronger and more durable, the PCB surface is coated with a solder mask to prevent oxidation. The solder mask is mainly made of resin and curing agent, a clear protective coating that shields the circuit board and stops short circuits during soldering. As electronic products get smaller and lighter, requirements for PCB design and technology keep getting higher. New technologies like high-density interconnect HDI multi-layer boards and flexible PCBs are constantly emerging. Upstream of the PCB industry includes raw materials such as copper, copper-clad laminates, and copper foils, while the downstream serves all kinds of electronics manufacturers. As a fundamental component of electronics, PCB demand is directly affected by the downstream electronics market. When demand for smartphones, computers, or home appliances goes up, demand for PCBs rises too, and vice versa.